Hey there, beautiful people. Are you ready to kickstart your fitness journey all from the comfort of your home? No gym, no fancy equipment, just you, your energy, and 15 minutes of focused movement. Let's make every second count. Let's get started. We'll begin with a quick warm-up to wake up those muscles and get your heart pumping. First up, jumping jacks. 1 minute, let's go. Keep that energy high and don't forget to breathe. Next, high knees. Bring those knees up like you're marching toward your goals. Feel the rhythm. Now, arm circles. Big controlled movements. 30 seconds forward, 30 seconds backward. We're loosening up and getting ready for action. And finally, some bodyweight squats. 10 repetitions. Go slow, keep your back straight, and let your body ease into it. Great work. Now for the real deal, a 15-minute workout to tone your lower body and burn calories. Stay with me. First up, bodyweight squats. These are a classic for a reason, powerful for your thighs and glutes. Let's do 12 to 15 reps together. Next, glute bridges. Lie on your back, knees bent, and lift those hips high. Squeeze at the top. Feel that? That's your lower back and glutes getting stronger. On to lunges. Step forward with one leg, lower your body, and switch legs. 10 reps per side. Go at your own pace. Now, step-ups. Grab a sturdy surface like a chair or step and step up with 1 foot at a time. Imagine climbing your way to your goals. Literally. Time for a plank. Hold steady for 20 to 30 seconds. Engage your core. You're stronger than you think. Don't drop yet. Lastly, side-lying leg lifts. Lie on your side, lift your top leg up and down, and repeat. This one's for those outer thighs and hips. Switch sides and keep going. You've got this. Before we wrap up, let's cool down and show your body some love. Start with a hamstring stretch. Reach for your toes and hold. Doesn't that feel good? Now, into child's pose. Sink back, stretch those arms forward, and take a deep breath in and out. Let's finish with some cat-cow stretches. Flow gently between arching and rounding your back. Stretch and reset your body for the day ahead. And that's it. You've just completed a 15-minute workout. Amazing job. High-five yourself. You made time for you today, and that's incredible. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more simple workouts, and share it with a friend who needs a little motivation. Until next time, keep shining, keep moving, and stay